I'm pretty excited today. So my GoPro camera came and it's charging, so I really can't play with it. We go here. Oops. I really can't play with it too much. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They call it the media package, I think. So it's this little handle, which is actually a battery too, and it's a control stick, and these fold up, right? So they go. So it's just a handle, or you pop it down. Boink. It's a tripod, and then so the media package, like I said, it's charging. I don't want to pull it. This is a light. So the camera goes inside this housing, and sorry, kind of a bad image. Yeah, goes inside this housing. This is a microphone over here, and then this is a light, and that mounts up all together, right? Bing, like that. So the media package. Anyway, so right now I'm using hello. Oh, this is a secret to smelling good. Brute. Don't tell everybody though, because it's hard to get. I can only get it at Walmart. And yeah, so right now this is being shot on my MacBook Pro with photo booth. So maybe tomorrow, soon here, we'll get some images with the GoPro. Okay, how do you turn it off? Oh, and away we go. So yeah, this is a first shot with the GoPro, and we'll see if there's a quality difference. I'll link it next to the Photoshop in the other booth. Barb's in there watching the voice, right? And that Michigan guy, he just got saved. Yay! That's good for her. Okay, bye. Barb's wrapping Christmas gifts. Look, I don't know how the lighting is. Sorry about the movement.
There you go. Sweet.
Yeah. And
Merry Christmas.
I thought I heard something ringing.
This is just a practice tape, right?
Yep.
Because I can
Sorry.
blow my nose.
Yep.
And my tape is crappy tape.
So she's don't tell Callum, but she's gonna wrap his Bible. She got him a baby Bible.
Don't tell Callum. No, you have to sign his Bible. Remember?
Yep. We'll fill it out, and then his dad Corey can read to
His son.
one chapter of Proverbs every day, because there's 30 chapters in Proverbs.
There is?
Yep. So if you like on the first of the month, if you read chapter 1, then on the second of the month, you read chapter 2. Get the idea?
Yep.
And in a month, anyways, there's some pretty good stuff in there. Okay.
So note to self.
So,
to anyone.
here, show them the Bible.
Do not buy cheap tape because it comes back and bites you. Okay, so that's Corey's. And, whoops. So here's Callum's Bible. Oh, I'm sorry, I gotta blow my nose. And Corey's son is 8 months old, who cannot read. But when you guys, whoever he's sending this to Troy or Mayor or somebody, when you have a baby, we will get you a Bible. It's stuck in this sleeve. It has Holy Bible, has Callum Patrick, and his birthday, which might be backwards in there, March 13th, 2022. So it's a little Bible for a little boy. And
it's cute.
It has cute little, that's just the sleeve. Or it has cute, if I could find little pictures.
Tommy Nelson, King James Version.
It's just, but it's cute. It has all these little animal pictures in there. So there you go.
Thomas
So I want your dad, because he writes so well,
Nelson.com.
I want him to write it here. Presented to Callum Patrick and the date. Maybe put Christmas 2022.
Okay.
And then from us, Bubby and Grandy.
Okay.
I'm Bubby.
I'm Grandy.
Oops, hello.
Oh,
So
beautiful.
beautiful. You saw my cleavage.
Mm-hmm.
So Bubby means Babichka, which is Czechoslovakian, and we're Czechoslovakian. And so Babichka sounds a little rough, not bitch. So it goes, but they always shorten it to Bubby. So I'm Bubby.
And I'm Grandy. I got this last Christmas. If you could see Grandy and Cruz and me. So that was Shelby's idea. So yeah, we all have nicknames.
He's always gone by Grandy.
Grandy.
So see?
I'll try to include a clip of Cruz, and you can see. Okay, later for now.
Love you guys. Bye.
Hey, bye-bye. He's in Florida. Don't cry. He'll be back. You want your snack? Here, have a snack. No. You've created a monster, Randy. He'll be back. I love